Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a Google My Business listing with Google. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To create a Google My Business listing, start by navigating to the Google My Business website. Click on the Manage Now button to begin the process. Sign in to your Google account if you haven't already. If you don't have a Google account, you will need to create one. Once signed in, enter the name of your business in the provided field. If your business appears in the suggestions, select it. If not, click on Add Your Business to Google. Next, choose the appropriate business category that describes your services. This helps potential customers find your business easily. After choosing a category, enter your business address. If you offer services without a physical location, you can specify the areas you serve. When prompted, select if you want to add a location customers can visit. This may include a storefront or office. Then, provide your contact phone number and website URL. If you don't have a website, you can choose to create a free website based on your information. Next, click on Finish to finalize the details. You will then have the option to verify your business. Choose the verification method that works best for you. This may involve a postcard sent to your business address or phone verification. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification process. Once verified, log back into your Google My Business account. Optimize your listing by adding essential details like business hours, photos, and services offered. Ensure your business description is clear and engaging. Check your listing for any inaccuracies and correct them if needed. Finally, keep your listing updated with any changes to your business. Now you're ready to attract customers through your Google My Business listing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.